All right, let's do this.
Create a frame using a frame tool. Create a circle. To duplicate this circle, use the shortcut Ctrl+D. Adjust the opacity to 50%. Duplicate this.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
A few moments later.
Duplicate this. Turn off the few layers. Duplicate this. Turn on the Eclipse 3 layer. Turn on all layers in frame 4. Select all frames and create a component set. Switch to the prototype. Follow these interaction details. Follow these instructions to interact with other frames. Connect this final frame to the first frame. Switch to the design. Create a new frame. Go to the assets. Drag and drop this component into the frame. Press the play button.
Here I come.
Oh.